Good morning, children, and hello, parents. Welcome to Standard 3 Drawing Class. Children, do you know that it is a lot of fun cutting paper? You can make beautiful patterns with the help of paper by cutting the paper in different shapes. Now see, I have got some pattern for you. This is a paper flower. Here there is another pattern that I have cut out for you. So this way you can make many patterns with the help of color paper and with the help of a scissor. Today we are going to learn how to make some pattern by cutting paper. We are going to have a lot of fun. Now we are going to do this with the help of our book Art Express Book 3, page number 22. Here the instructions are given how you can make the pattern. Now let's see what instructions are given here. You can have a lot of fun cutting paper. Here's how to make these fun patterns. Take a square piece of paper. It can be white or colored. Then fold the paper into half and then fold the half again. Then use scissors to cut out in the middle and at the corners. Open up the paper and your pretty pattern is ready. Remember to be careful with those scissors. Here I will request you to take help of the elders in the house. You can ask your mother, you can ask your elder brother or sister to help you with the cutting. So let's start with our work. First of all, we will take a square paper. We will take a square paper. Children, you can take paper of any color. Then we will fold it into half. Then again fold it into half. Now we are going to make the mark from where we are going to cut it. Now in our next step, we are going to draw the lines from where we are going to cut the paper. So first, let's divide the square in half. Draw a line, a vertical line, and then a horizontal line. This is the center of the page. Here I will draw a line. Next, draw lines like this from where you are going to cut. So we have finished putting the mark. Children, since it is not safe for you to use scissors, so I request you to ask your elders to help you here to cut the pattern for you. Take the help of anyone in the house. Children, I have done the cutting and now this pattern is ready. Let's open and see. Yes, this is how your pattern is going to look once you finish it. Isn't it beautiful? Now, let's move on to the next pattern. We are going to cut out our next pattern. For this, we need to fold the paper in half. We'll take a square paper and fold it in half. Now again we are going to fold it in half. So twice we folded the paper. We will use a ruler and a pencil to put mark from where we need to cut the paper. First, we will draw horizontal and vertical line dividing the paper in halves. Draw semicircles like this. Children, as you are instructed, ask your parents or any elder in the house to help you with the cutting. Don't try and use the scissors by yourself. So now our next step is to cut out the paper. As I have finished cutting the paper, let's open out and see what pattern we have got. So this is how your paper will look after you finish cutting it. Children, I'm sure you all enjoyed this activity of cutting paper in different patterns. Parents are requested to help their ward with the cutting of the paper. Children, you can make many different patterns, your own patterns in this same method. Please help your ward to do this activity given in the book. Thank you.